Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we welcome you to Villa Tatutina, a beautiful and luxurious waterfront estate in the Bahamas in Marsh Harbour, Abaco. This villa comes with a total of 10 bedrooms, 9 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms. This spectacular estate rests within a gated community upon a beautiful 1.25 acres of land, including the main building built with an open floor plan concept, a beautiful and fully equipped kitchen, the master bedroom coming with a luxurious sunken floor bathtub and steam shower, along with immediate access to the beautiful swimming pool in the back. The Gathering House, built for parties or entertainment hosting of all sizes, comes with its own 1,500 square feet of open floor dining and entertainment. Floor to ceiling glass windows, seating for 21 guests, and a rooftop sun deck with a wraparound porch for panoramic views of the ocean. This Gathering House also comes with a chef's kitchen and private office to ensure that the provider for your entertainment has everything they need to succeed at making your party the best your guests have ever had. This property also comes with 5 private villa homes with fully equipped kitchens, private patios, 1 villa with an eccentric outdoor shower, and 1 and 2 bedroom layouts for each of the villas for the best guest accommodations. Other features of this property include a newly constructed and professionally made 152-foot dock, fish cleaning stations, bait prep areas, a 24,000-pound boat lift, a 60 kilowatt backup generator, and a 30,000-pound water cistern, along with direct access to the world-renowned fishing grounds of the Abacos in the Bahamas. In addition to being a truly amazing property, Villa Tatutina is also close to international marinas, the Nassau International Airport, as well as prime fishing areas around it, like the Elbow Cay, Man-O-War Cay, and Great Guyana Cay. Whether you're buying for a luxurious home in a perfect oceanfront paradise, or looking for a truly impressive investment, Villa Tatutina has got you covered. asking price for Villa Tatutina is $6,900,000 USD. JMD $1,110,089,940. Canadian $9,691,430. Euro $5,945,178. British pounds $5,183,021. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you again here next time on PropertyCozy.com.